What's going on, everybody? This is the Blockchain Backer, bringing you the latest cryptocurrency news and analysis. Today, we'll be talking about the Bitcoin price chart, which has briefly touched above $98,000 as I record this morning. But the big news happening out there in the market is that the total market cap of the cryptocurrency market has set a new all-time high officially. Not just here on total, which does include the stable coins like USDT and USDC. But if we remove those from total and from the entire market cap of the crypto market, we still have set a new all-time high over here on total minus USDT minus USDC. It is official. 2021 has been bypassed. And with that, stirs a lot of emotions in there. It was a long period from 2021 to 2024. And here we are. So in this video, I want to take a look at things of like what it was like when we set the new high for the market cap back in 2021 and what were kind of the order of operations of things that happen in the market moving forward. No telling that it'll play out exactly like that, but I could show you things. If you're maybe yelling at a tree over Bitcoin being at $97,000, and some altcoins still lagging behind, I actually want to show you what happened in 2020 and 2021 at this precise moment. For those who have been watching the channel, as we all know, we're still battling these retraces here on others, which is the altcoin market excluding the top 10. My bias is that we will eventually get out. And if you caught the video from yesterday, we were talking about the state of where Bitcoin's at, what's happening with on-chain activity, how that's very similar to this moment back here in February of 2021, when the altcoin market had gotten back to this retracement level, which we are at currently right now. And then Bitcoin was kind of doing these same price behaviors. But the altcoin market did something very interesting when this moment happened back in 2021. And so I actually want to take you to relive this moment when this happened, and then what happened to the altcoin market after that moment took place. And that moment would have been right here, right back here at the very end of December. This is the total market cap of crypto. This is it finally being able to escape out of the high. It gets through the high right there. It definitively breaks right there. But that's the first daily candle to get through and take out the high from back in 2018. Right? The 2017 bull run peaks there at the beginning of January 2018. Here's where the altcoin market was at that time. Way down here. Here's Bitcoin way up here. And it's hard to believe at these moments, Bitcoin's way up here. The total market cap's finally starting to get out, and the altcoin market's right here. But it was this moment that was the triggering event that got the parabola set in for the altcoin market. To put into context how low the altcoin market was at that time, you can even put a fib on it, that it was only at its 382 Fibonacci retracement level at the time of Bitcoin being way up here and the total market cap breaking through. And as you can see here, for total 3, it sits right at the 702 retracement. So even better than it was then. It was way down here, which I guess you could say has been our launchpad area. But what came after that, obviously, was all the crazy, all the euphoria, all the laser eyes, diamond hands. We all gonna make it. And well, alt season. And well, as I'm recording this now, things have really kind of turned for the altcoin market. Bitcoin was leading the charge all morning. Now suddenly these altcoins are starting to take off similarly to that behavior. And we can see others getting much closer to that 702 and total 3 trying to break out right now as we get this thing going. So if you're just trying to kind of put the whole picture together of how things have played out historically, this kind of gives you a little bit of a context to look at it from. This is what happened the moment we broke out back in 2021. Hopefully that's how it plays out this time. But this was the marker of the parabolic rise beginning. So we'll keep this one brief and to the point. My son has been home from school sick, and as I wake up this morning, I feel it creeping on me. So we couldn't just not talk about this topic happening today, but at the same time, I'm going to kind of take it easy for a minute. We'll see how we're doing this afternoon, and if I can get something else out with more substance to it. Otherwise, it's really just a huge milestone happening today. Otherwise, I'm wrapping it up. You guys can check out the newsletter. The most recent one's about talking if this breakout has legs to it, where the strong performance has been at, which coins have good data, and looking ahead. It's available over here on blockchainbacker.substack.com. You can check out bcbacker.com for over 40 videos and 11 hours of content teaching you how to set up your own charts and indicators within TradingView and CoinTrader Pro. There are links down here in the description of this video to bcbacker.com and to the newsletter at blockchainbacker.substack.com. Otherwise, we'll get this one out early. All right, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you could, please like this video and give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified of when I create new content and when I go live. As always, this is not investment advice and I am not a financial advisor, but if you ever need a pick-me-up or a little bit of reassurance, just remember that the blockchain backers got your back. Have a good one.